Good morning, everyone. Chapter 4, Key Elements of Democratic Government. In this chapter, you will read about some of the key elements of democratic government. These include people's participation, the resolution of conflict, and the equality and justice. South Africa is a country that has people of several races, like black native people, whites, and Indians. Country was governed by apartheid law. Apartheid means separation on the basis of race, basis of the color of people. South African people were divided into white, black, Indians, and colored race. And apartheid law prevented them from getting mixed with each other, mingled with each other. Non-white had to face several distinctions. They were not allowed to vote, neither they availed other basic privileges. Like their children not allowed to enroll same school where the white people enroll their children. Hence, the African National Congress started struggle against apartheid system under the leadership of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela fought several years. South Africa became democratic country in 1994. Now there is no apartheid and people of all races are considered equal. There are fixed periods for the government that are elected, like our country. Our country having for a government, our country having 5 years. In India, once the government is elected, it can stay in power for 5 years. People participate in the process of government by casting their vote to elect the representative of their choice. That is why it is also known as the representative government. People express their view against the government policy if they think the law introduced by government, not the people not agreed on that, so they can raise their voice by holding dharnas, rally, signature campaigning, or give their articles in newspaper with the help of media. They can raise their voice, they can put their opinion, and they can pressurize the government to change on that particular law, which law the people not agreed. And if the judiciary find that law is not according to constitution, that the judiciary give order to the government to change, to amend that law or dismiss that law. The government play a vital role in resolving dispute. So the people also participating by organizing themselves into social movement and seek to challenges the government and its functioning. Equality and justice are the key elements of democracy. The practice of untouchability is now banned by law and order, bring equality and justice in the society. In this way, they can maintain social equality in the society. Ban the untouchability. Okay. The government also takes steps to bring girl child on equal level with the boy child under law Hindu Succession Act. Or through gender equality, the government tried to maintain equality between girls gender and boy, girl child and boy child. Let us understand whole chapter. Thank you. Yes, let's start chapter. So South Africa is a country that has a people of several race. The people from several race, like the people came from different land, like the black people, those belong to the South Africa, and white who came there to settle, and the Indians who came here as a laborer and the traders. So Maya, 11-year-old child of South Africa, girl child, living in the town of Johannesburg. One day, she was helping her mother and cleaning the old boxes. So she found a scrapbook full of the pictures, a newspaper article. There was a many picture of young school boy of around the school boy is around 15 year of age. So she was shocked when she asked her mother who the boy was. So her mother replied that she was told that he was a called Hector Peterson. The boy name was Hector Peterson. He had been shot by the police. Maya was shocked. Why? Why police killed her? That boy. Shoot that boy. She asked from her mother. Her mother explained that South Africa was earlier governed by apartheid laws. Apartheid means, everyone please underline, separation on the basis of race, skin of color. South African people were divided into white, black, native, Indians, and colored race. According to law, these races were not allowed to mingle with each other, mix with each other, to live near each other, and or even to use common facility, public facility, not share these facility with each other. Maya could not believe her ears that that kind of society was exist in our country. So Maya mother sounded angry, and when she spoke about the life under apartheid, okay, she told Maya that in those days, the black people were not allowed to different facilities, several facilities, like uh, the black people's the hospital was separate, and ambulance were not for the same ambulance which for white people, not for the black peoples. And she told that Maya that those days yes. So that time hospital was separate. So our ambulance, and ambulance mean for white people, would always be well equipped, while one mean for the people, black people was not. If they compare with the ambulance of which provide for the white people, and they were the separate trains, buses. Even the bus stop were the different for black and white people. So this kind of discrimination that on the basis of color, skin color, race, non-whites were not allowed to vote. Means black people were not allowed to vote. The best land of the country was reserved for white people, and non-white people means black people had to live on the worst available land. Black and the colored were not considered be equal to whites. On Black Township was the southwestern township. So and Hector Peterson lived here, and he and his classmate joined the protest against the learning of African language in school. This was the language that, look at here, white spoke. So the African was the language spoken by the white people that time. So they were against, because they were supported the language Zulu, their local language. Hector and other school students were being forced to learn this language, but they wanted to learn their own language, that was Zulu. The South African police beat up the protester mercilessly and shoot at the crowd. And one of their bullet killed Hector Peterson. This was the on 16th June 1967. The bullet killed Hector. So sad. Now, African National Congress, the party like our country having a Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress, Bahujan Samaj Party, or Communist Party, many more. So same way, the African National Congress Party was the party which is in South Africa, a group of people who led the struggle against the apartheid. And their most well-known leader, known as Nelson Mandela, who fought several years for against apartheid system. Finally, he succeeded in 1994, and South Africa became the democratic country in which the people of all races are considered equal. Okay.